Today we will learn Chinese characters.
分
Watch my pronunciation.
分 分分分分开分开，请把它们分开，请把它们分开。分数，分数，我的分数很高，我的分数很高。分工，分工，大家分工合作，大家分工合作。
Now let's write this Chinese character. In Chinese culture, this character represents distinguishing right from wrong, being clear between public and private, fairness and justice. It also emphasizes that people should behave properly with a sense of limit and not act recklessly. Pay attention to the upper part. It is like a hat covering the lower part. That's all for today. See you next class.